You what?
I'm trying to dig a hole.
How deep is your hole gonna be?
Really big.
Where's it gonna go?
What?
Where's the hole gonna go?
Right here?
How deep is it gonna be?
Really deep.
All the way to the other side of the earth? Yeah, you know, I did that when I was a kid.
What?
Tried to dig as deep as I could to the other side of the earth. You know
And
what?
What?
You think I got there?
Yes. Did you?
I never got there.
What?
I never got there.
Why?
I just didn't.
Because your mama didn't yet you?
Well, probably that too.
The thing. There's one of
What's he have? Uh-oh, he has the truck.
We better get hurry. I don't want him to wreck into my dirt. Don't run into me.
Griffin, you're gonna fall.
Get your saucer, Daddy.
Get my shovel.
What's that for?
There's well, something to run over.
Gonna grab him real quick.